Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You'll begin by confirming prerequisites and taking the first steps. Make sure your HomePod Mini and iPhone share the same Wi-Fi network and that your iPhone runs the latest iOS. Open Spotify and sign in. Premium makes some things smoother, though free can still cast via AirPlay. Next, check Bluetooth and AirPlay are enabled on your device and open the Home app to verify the HomePod appears. Once done, you're ready to route audio from Spotify to the HomePod using AirPlay. You now connect Spotify to the HomePod using AirPlay, the reliable middle step. Start playing a track in Spotify and open the device picker inside the app, or swipe down to open Control Center and long press the audio card. Tap AirPlay and select your HomePod Mini from the list. If the HomePod doesn't show, return to Spotify, tap the three dots on the player screen, and choose Connect to a device. Make sure volume is up and that the HomePod is online before proceeding. Finish by confirming playback and adjusting settings so it stays connected. Listen to verify Spotify audio flows through the HomePod, adjust volume from your iPhone or the Home app, and set default speaker routing if you use multiple speakers. If playback drops or HomePod won't appear, restart the HomePod and your iPhone, toggle Wi-Fi, and ensure both are on the same network. As a key troubleshooting tip, remove and re-add the HomePod and the Home app to reset its network pairing when nothing else works.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.